Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a special Japanese izakaya in Gangneung called Sera. We'll be comparing it to some popular izakayas in Gangnam, discussing the unique dishes, atmosphere, and also sharing stories about the chefs who have made the seaside their new home. So, stick around until the end. First, let me briefly describe the atmosphere at Sera. This place is nestled right by the sea in Gangneung, offering a cozy and serene space. While Gangnam izakayas are known for their trendy and sophisticated urban vibe, Sera provides a special retreat where you can enjoy the tranquility of nature along with your meal. Dining here, accompanied by the sound of the waves, is a truly relaxing experience. Now, let's dive into the signature dishes at Sera. The menu here is centered around fresh seafood from Gangneung. One of the standout dishes is the herring sashimi. Sliced thin and served fresh, this sashimi is incredibly tender and full of flavor, practically melting in your mouth. Although you can find sashimi in many izakayas in Gangnam, the freshness of the ingredients, sourced directly from the nearby sea, makes a noticeable difference at Sera. Another must-try dish is the botan shrimp sashimi. These shrimps are smaller but sweeter than regular shrimp, and enjoying them as sashimi is a rare treat. The fresh, sweet flavor of the shrimp is perfectly complemented by the coastal ambiance of Gangneung, making it an ideal choice for pairing with sake. Let's not forget about the uni sea urchin. At Sera, the uni is sourced directly from the waters off Gangneung, offering a creamy, rich flavor that's simply unforgettable. And then there's the matsuba crab, snow crab, which is only available in season. Whether served as sashimi or steamed, the crab meat is incredibly succulent and sweet, offering a taste you can only find in Gangneung, the heartland of snow crabs. Here's something important to note. When visiting coastal areas, many people tend to gravitate towards the local seafood restaurants, with that typical touristy vibe. While those places can be charming, I highly recommend also exploring spots like Sera, where traditional seafood dishes are beautifully reinterpreted with a modern twist. At Sera, you'll find a unique culinary experience that combines the freshest ingredients with the chef's creativity. Speaking of chefs, let's talk about the people behind the food at Sera. Many of the chefs here moved from bustling cities to Gangneung to start a new chapter in their lives, including Sera's head chef. He was once the head chef at a renowned izakaya in Seoul, but became captivated by the natural beauty and fresh ingredients of Gangneung, leading him to relocate. He shared, "In Seoul, everything moves so fast, including the cooking. But here in Gangneung, I can cook at a more relaxed pace, in harmony with the rhythm of the sea. The power of fresh ingredients is different here, and my goal is to maximize that freshness in every dish." This philosophy is evident in every dish at Sera, where the food transcends mere taste to offer something truly special. The chef personally selects seasonal seafood from the local market every morning and prepares dishes that highlight the natural flavors of the ingredients. This dedication to freshness and quality makes the dining experience at Sera truly exceptional. So, next time you're at the seaside, don't just settle for the usual touristy seafood spots. Be sure to visit places like Sera that offer a refined interpretation of traditional dishes, allowing you to experience something new and memorable. The blend of fresh ingredients and the chef's ingenuity will elevate your dining experience to new heights. Now, let's touch on the prices. Gangnam izakayas generally have a higher price range, especially for dishes featuring fresh seafood. In contrast, Sera offers these premium dishes at more reasonable prices compared to Seoul. Although there's the added cost of traveling to Gangneung, the experience and quality you get in return make it well worth the trip. To sum it up, Sera is a special place where you can enjoy fresh seafood and dishes crafted with care by dedicated chefs, all within the serene natural setting of Gangneung. It offers a distinct charm that sets it apart from the sleek izakayas of Gangnam. If you're looking for a unique culinary experience by the sea, Sera should definitely be on your list. I hope you enjoyed learning about the charm of Sera and the stories of its chefs. If you're planning a trip to Gangneung, make sure to stop by and taste these incredible dishes for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more information, visit https GPT online. Aiko, thank you.